Hello, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into a new English word every day to help you expand your vocabulary. I'm Alex, and today we're going to explore the word account. This is a noun that you might have seen or heard quite a bit, especially in places like banks, social media, or online shopping sites. At a B1 level, it's a good word to get comfortable with since it comes up frequently in many areas of daily life. So, what exactly does account mean? In simple terms, an account is an arrangement you have with a bank or an online service that allows you to manage money or access specific services. For example, if you have a bank account, you can deposit, withdraw, and manage your money. Or, if you have a social media account, it's your profile where you can share posts, connect with friends, and follow others. Let's look at some synonyms that are similar in meaning to account. One synonym is profile, especially when talking about social media or online services. For example, she updated her profile to show her new job title. Another synonym is subscription. This word works well when you pay for ongoing access to an online service, like streaming movies or reading the news. For example, he has a monthly subscription to his favorite magazine. Each of these words can be used in similar contexts to account, but they can sometimes carry a slightly different meaning. Now, let's check out a few antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. One antonym of account is cash, which refers to physical money you can hold rather than a bank or online arrangement. For example, she paid for her groceries in cash. Another opposite might be anonymity when referring to privacy online, as an account typically has identifying information. You could say, the website allowed users to comment in anonymity. So, how do we use account in everyday life? If you're setting up an account for a new streaming service, you might say, I need to create an account to start watching my favorite shows. Or, if someone asks if you have an Instagram profile, you might say, yes, I have an account there. Account can also refer to financial conversations such as, she opened a savings account to start saving for a trip. We also see it in expressions like, on his account, meaning based on his responsibility, or take into account, which means to consider something when making a decision, like, let's take her opinion into account before making a choice. To sum it all up, today we learned that an account is an arrangement with a bank or online service, typically for managing money or using specific features. We explored synonyms like profile and subscription and antonyms like cash and anonymity. Thanks so much for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using account and share it in the comments below. I'd love to see how you use it. Thanks again, and see you next time.